Hello guys, welcome back. So after a while, yeah, we still had some heaters and so on, but it was almost all the same problems as usual, so it was not really worth making videos. But today we have something interesting, and this is an electric heater, yeah, 3-phase, 400 volts. The fans are on 24 volts DC, yeah. So the customer sent back the unit saying that normally this fan, this blower, should have 3 speeds, and he's saying that one is not working, yeah, or no, it's saying only one is working. So we should test this now and see if he's right. And we also have already some spare parts here, and this is a speed resistor for the blower, yeah, and this is how the 3 speeds are made using this resistor. So the guys from the support from Kalori also told me that maybe some connections has fallen down inside, but I didn't want to open the heater before having the spare parts just in case, no? So let's see. In order to test this, we need 24 volts, and this is why I zoomed out so much. I have down here a 24 volt battery charger, and I have connected to brown, negative, and this yellow green wire for the positive, just because it has this kind of terminal which is insulated. So the way that this works, on black we should have always the negative. So let's connect it, and the 3 speeds are accordingly to which one of the other 3 wires we are applying voltage to. So let's hope this works. So I will switch on this and this. So now we should have 24 volts. So let's see, let's start with this yellow. Yeah, nothing's happening. Red, nothing's happening. And orange is the full speed. Yes. So customer is correct. Sorry about that. This is the battery charger, and now it's full, so I will disconnect it. Yeah. So customer is correct. Only the high speed is working. So let me switch off the power to the battery charger, and now we will have to open up this and see what's going on inside. So clearly the blower is good, but something else is wrong here, and maybe it's a wire, maybe it's the resistor itself. So let me just take this paperweight away. I will put the wires here to the side, also the charger, and we will try to open this heater now. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Okay. And yeah, let's try to open up the heater and actually open it up, not just try. So we have some Torx here. Just looking around to see. Oh no, it's already coming apart. Okay, so let's hope that this is not connected to anything, and it's not. So this is pretty straightforward and easy. And let's see, so we do have the resistor here, and it is connected. So what's the problem then? It's a good question. Let's just swap the resistor. I don't think it's worth thinking too much about it, and we will do that. But first let's take a look what's inside here. So we have a PTC heating element. Such a big case for such a small thing. We have a protection, yes, an aluminum grill, and also this face which you can connect 1 to 6 hoses, yeah, and you can distribute the heating inside the vehicle. All right, so here we have a safety switch, yeah, and this should be connected in order to stop supplying the PTC elements with voltage when if the temperature is exceeded. Normally PTC elements cannot be overheated. That's the physical characteristic of them, and but it's still good to have a switch in case who knows what happens. I hope that the installer is using this, and from the marks that are on the terminals, I think yes. So very good. And we have the PTC elements here connected according to a diagram. We will not go into that. It's just shortly, this is 6000 watts, so really big heating capacity, and according to the connection, same like the fan speed, it can be used in 3 levels, yeah, so you can use only one part of the elements. That's, you will have 2000 and 4 or 6000 watts. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's go back. We will not test this because I don't wanna, it would be hard to connect, and I only have 3-phase here out somewhere in the workshop and only in one place, so it's a bummer. Yeah, anyway, the problem is clear, so let's take out the resistor and we will swap it directly. I don't know. If you want, we can measure afterwards to see what happened, but yeah, let's just swap the part first. So, is this a fuse? It could be a fuse. But the max speed is still working. Anyway, so let's take one from here, doesn't matter which one. And it looks like new, it's brand new, so I don't think someone messed with it. So let's just transfer the connections if we can. So orange, yellow, and then red. Okay, let's see. So orange. And I have to say, these terminals are really hard to get out. Let's see if we use a screwdriver. Maybe I will break the resistor. I mean, not the resistor, this ceramic thingy. I think this is just the support for the windings here. And we have one more. Oh yeah. Okay. Anything visible? No. Nothing. So I will put this here and mark it if everything's fine. So let's see, we have red and really hard to connect them in any other position because the cables are made in such length that when you repair them you should not be able to put it back in any other way. So this is one. This is two. Okay, so that should be fine. So the reason why this is so empty here, because this case is used for a lot of things. Here, instead of these PTC elements, can also be a radiator mounted or an evaporator for AC, the water heater, yeah, water radiator or an AC, or it can be an AC and a PTC element and so on. So the combinations are all possible using the same case, and this is a smart thing from Kalori, I would say. So should we test first or no? I will put it back at least in 2 or 3 screws and then we will connect the power supply again. Good. And now we will connect the ground, which is brown, yeah, to black. We will power this up and let's see. So let's start with high. Okay, medium and low. Yeah, so now all working, yeah, good. So that's it. I will put the other screws back and we are done. We will send the unit back. I mean, we already sent a new one long time ago, but this will go back to the customer because he's the only one installing these units and the unit is brand new. So actually we have another one of this. I just remembered, and this is an older type, which this is only 3000 watts and they discontinued this one and are now only making the other one, the 6000 watts. So I don't know what's the problem with this one. Hopefully it's just something to do with the blower, because the other defects I cannot test here. So it will be probably a good idea to make some kind of test bench for the 380 AC. So let's see. Let's not waste time. Ground. They have some markings here, so let's see. Okay, so we are on with the 24. Even if I connect them backwards, there's no problem. It will only turn the fan in the other way. So no, no, yes, exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. So this is the same unit, only a generation before the other one, the 6000 watts. And I was wondering why they are having so many cables here on the other one, and this one had only one cable on the other side. So the unit basically is the same, the problem is the same, this resistor, and they also have a little bit of oh, okay, We also have a little bit of melting here on this connection, so which means it only ran in full speed, probably because, yeah, you know, the driver could only use it in one. Let me see if I can turn on the flash. No. Oh, maybe? No, because I'm zoomed in. Wonderful. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there is damage to, yeah, you can see it now, to this thingy. So we will have to change this connector also, and also the resistor. I don't know if it's really a problem with the resistor or only this got too hot, but we will change it anyway because the connections are not so good anymore. And the thing I wanted to show you is, look, so look at the connections here. Everything is made nice insidely, and probably somebody at Kalori thought, wait, this is too expensive to use these clamps here, so let's pull all the cables out, all the ends of the resistors, and let somebody else worry about this. Yeah, a good thing. So problems the same, resistor, connections, everything else should be fine. So I will stop the video now. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.